Virtually everyone aspires to become a billionaire, and the usual reason is for the lifestyle it affords. At Billionaires Resort by Cedarwood, we, beyond an architectural masterpiece, present you an opportunity to live exclusively and with nature at your beck and call. From the Dr. Jane Ulmeri Nature Park to the polo pitch and horse stable, from the artificial lake to the sports arena, the ultimate resort experience is only but an eye blink away. As plot sales continue in earnest, we invite you to acquire your own parcel of land at Billionaires Resort by Cedarwood today.